Good morning, Alpha Gang. It's Mike from AlphaGenPerformance. Today is June 18th, which means it's Midnight Rev Up. So I'm excited for this show. I'm going in as a solo entry today, but of course I am heading out a little bit earlier. Just got to get the car all cleaned up because it's a little bit filthy. You can't really tell, but outside it is pretty cloudy and rainy. So hopefully it doesn't rain on my way there after I get it all washed, but I did pack up a ton of detail supplies as well, so when I do get there, I can do some quick touch-ups and whatnot as well to make sure she looks nice and clean. But other than that, I'm going to try to film some footage for you guys, check out some other cars, and yeah, take you along through Midnight Rev Up and see what else is out there. Also going to meet up with some other vendors. I know the Detail Studio is going to be there as well, which are some of my friends. Same with Macari Auto. XS Company is going to be there as well too, which of course are my track guys, and also where I bring the Genesis a lot for maintenance, and same with my daily driver as well. But it should be a good time. I'm excited. I got to pick up some new slaps, some new stickers that are going to be on the AlphaGen store probably within the next couple weeks. So I'm going to hit up Tuner Decals, meet up with them, pick up the new package, and maybe give you guys a preview as well too, what they look like. I'm pretty excited for those as well. So we will see you after the cleanup and probably Midnight Rev Up. See you soon, guys. Loading in and getting set up. Pretty sweet little venue. when everybody's rolling in is that there's not a lot of people here because general admission doesn't come till about 6 o'clock. So that way I can get around and view a bunch of the cars and get some good shots before everybody rolls in and gets all crowded. So, but yeah, see you again in a bit. Some of these awards for top 10. You got these custom wheels, which are pretty cool. And then there's the best team award to give out later. But yeah, pretty cool. GT86s are definitely growing on me. I would definitely consider buying one of these as another project car with a Genesis. I also like this banner, Art of Attack. It's pretty badass. I think it's pretty sweet. One of the GT86s from Envision Auto. It's a pretty clean setup. Nice full tech swing. I don't know what I like better between the new GR86 or modded out GT86. Let me know what you think. What are your preferences? Put them down in the comments below. Out of the BRZ style vehicles, I really like all the little details. That opening for the air filter as well. Same with the scoop, just to direct airflow as well, which is pretty cool towards the rad. It's a really sweet setup. Yeah, a lot of really unique details. Turbocharged.
Okay, let's go.
Hey, what's up, Alpha Gang? I am now back home from Midnight Rev Up. It was a late one, so I'm a little bit tired, but it was a good event. I was really happy to be a part of it. Lots of variety in the vehicles, and it was nice to also catch up with some of the vendors and the shops that I use on a regular basis, and also catch up with some of the friends that I haven't seen for a lot of the summer, just being so busy and such as well. Another thing also is that I ended up picking up some more slaps or stickers in this holographic look as well too, so I'll be listing these on the website here shortly, so you can get your own set as well if you'd like. But other than that, I hope you enjoyed the footage from the event, and other than that, if you don't follow us already, hit the like and subscribe to follow along for future videos as well, or catch up on some of the other videos that we have as well, with some of the builds and vlogs as well too. But until the next time, we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.